today we're going to discuss about minimalism. Alright? So being a mom, kailangan maging wise tayo when it comes to decorating something. Of course, kailangan natin pagandahin ang ating mga bahay habang nasa bahay tayo as a mom, right? So today, paggagandahin ko ang aming fireplace. Ito ay luma-luma naming fireplace. And I know a lot of people here, a lot of houses in Benguet and Baguio ay may mga fireplace pa rin, right? I hope that's right. So today, paano ba natin sisimulan? Anyway, I'm holding this picture. Actually, this is a painting from my daughter. Pinaint niya to ng COVID kasi by that time, as I remember, before COVID, naipamudmud ko ang aking Christmas tree. Kasi gusto ko sana mag-iba. Pero nag-COVID, walang panggastos. But, my daughter did this, painted this, and ito maging decoration namin during COVID time. So, let's start! How to be a minimalist when it comes to decorating our fireplace. Here you go, guys! First, of course, let's put this at the center. Ayan. So, siya ang magiging masterpiece ng aming fireplace. Of course, kailangan natin i-balance. Woo! Ang hirap pala mag-balance. Parang balance lang ng life. Ang hirap, no? Ayan. So, kailangan, speaking about balance, hindi porke minimalist, mag-isa lang yan. We also need to add something na mas gaganda pa. Of course, something like ornament like this. Actually, this is a toy of my grandson. Ayan. Gustong-gusto niya to during Christmas because nalalaro niya with music. There you go. Diba? Sino pa naman hindi maaaliw sa my music, diba? And take note, guys, I just bought this from Chongsan. Alam niyo naman ang Chongsan. Friendly price. I just bought this like around 100 plus to 200. Something like that. Yeah? So, ito ang magiging partner or something like a balancing statement. Statement yan, ha? ng ating picture dyan sa likod. Siyempre, hindi lang basta-basta mag-isa yan. Meron din tayong kabilang wing, so kailangan i-balance din natin. Hindi porke minimalist, hindi natin pwedeng i-balance. So, if you're a minimalist person, kailangan i-balance mo rin ang iyong decoration. So, we have a candle here. Actually, this is a gift from my cousin. Yan. Pwede rin natin idagdag dyan. Yan. So, balance na siya. Pwede rin natin dagdagan ng something like an ornament. Diba? So, there you go. With the 4 pieces I've got in my house, it's really something na magpapaganda ng aming fireplace. I hope you like it, guys, at nakatulong sa inyo kung paano gumanda ang inyong fireplace. So that's about minimalism. Yeah? Is it minimalism? Minimalist? Anything will do as long as it's not animalist. Anyway, I hope to see you soon. Bye!